Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Channelnya YouTuber Low Cost. Alhamdulillah, hari ini YouTuber Low Cost sedang ada di Kabupaten Bangkalan. Tepatnya di Stadion Raden Panji Muhammad Nur. Tepatnya di daerah Skep, ini namanya, terkenal dengan nama Skep. Nah, hari ini kebetulan ada lomba karapan sapi Madura tingkat kawedanan terakhir di Kabupaten Bangkalan. Bagi pemenang untuk hari ini akan masuk ke tingkat kabupaten. Siapa yang menang di tingkat kabupaten akan masuk di Piala Presiden pada tanggal 6 Oktober 2019. Nah, ikuti terus perjalanan YouTuber Low Cost. Namun sebelum kita meliput tentang karapan sapi, nah, YouTuber Low Cost kebetulan ada temen nih dari mancanegara. Informasinya nih, salah satunya ada yang dari Prancis, ada yang dari Amerika, juga ada yang dari Jerman. Nah, seperti apa obrolan kita dan seperti apa perjalanan kita di lomba karapan sapi di Kabupaten Bangkalan ini. Ikuti terus perjalanan YouTuber Low Cost. Cawi. Puh. Kebetulan hari ini di karapan sapi hari ini kita kedatangan tamu dari where do you come from? Germany. Germany ya. And what's your name? Christina. And you are?
Joe,
Joe. Where do you come from, Joe?
United States.
UK.
US.
US. United. I'm sorry.
Right.
United.
The other United one, yeah.
Americans.
Yeah.
And you are? Where do you
Francis.
Francis. Speak Indonesia?
Oh,
No, Indonesia. All right. Your name?
Benoit.
Benoit. It look like some place in Bali. Is it like that?
Yeah.
Right. Well, can I talk something or ask something about this bull races to you? Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Well, how do you know this event? How do you know this bull races?
I think I saw a story in Garuda Indonesia flight magazine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it was like the tourist section in the magazine. So yeah, so very interesting to come here. Yeah.
All right, that's
Yeah.
great. What about you, Benoit?
I think that I saw that in a French tourist guide.
Uh-huh.
Because you know, it's very interesting when you arrive in Surabaya to see that there is this island of Madura.
Uh-huh.
And I saw that it was one of the most famous events
Oh, yeah.
in Madura.
Okay. What about you, Christine? What do you think of this event? Huh? So you know from your friends?
Yeah, and before I read about the cable boat,
Uh-huh. Oh, I see.
from God.
But have you seen the bull races in internet before, or no? So this is first time. What about you? Did you see in internet before?
No, well, wait a minute. I did see one short video
Uh-huh.
of the race. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
but just a brief clip. Yeah.
Okay.
Fast.
Mhm.
They're very fast.
Okay. So what about the weather in Bangkalan here in Madura? Is it good for you?
I like it because I live in Jakarta, so here I can see blue sky. Yeah,
Oh, yeah?
It's beautiful. Yeah,
In Jakarta, no blue sky there.
it's a different blue, more like gray.
So,
Gray, yeah.
well, what is this your traditional event in your country in the USA?
Oh,
Could you tell us?
It could be, well, there could be many.
The famous one.
Rodeo is similar
Ah,
to this,
yeah,
the
rodeo.
Western rodeo.
In
yeah.
Texas, yeah?
Texas, Western states, yeah.
All right.
Car racing, things like that. But racing still just the same, yeah.
All right. So, what about then in German? What is your traditional, culture there? Do you have something like here? No.
Lots of soccer games.
Oh, soccer game. All right.
Local soccer games as well.
Okay. So, Benoit. You look like Brad Pitt, yeah? When you say glasses.
Long. Where you long from here, yes, it could be. Far from me.
So, will you try to ride the bull race today?
I think you have to be really, you have to be coached to do that.
All right.
You have to be trained. It's very,
All
very
right.
difficult in my opinion.
Will you back later? Maybe
Yeah.
for the biggest event. We have a big event here on October 6th. Will you back here?
Of course, to see the best, because you told me that it will be a huge moment.
Yeah, best of the best.
Yeah, best
On
of the
October.
best. And I don't know if it's better to have big bulls or
Small?
small to win.
Ah,
I would
yeah,
like
yeah,
to
yeah.
know that.
All right, that's great. Well, thank you very much for interview today.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day and enjoy the event.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank
Joe.
you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Don't tell me your name.
Fred.
Benoit. Ya. Thank you very much, Christine. Itu aja interview kita hari ini dengan 3 bule from Jerman, USA, busy,
Yeah.
very busy. French, Benoit. Nah, it's very funny. Itu aja interview kita hari ini. Kita saksikan, kita lanjutkan meliput tentang karapan sapi tingkat kawedanan yang terakhir di Kabupaten Bangkalan sebelum masuk ke event yang lebih tinggi lagi, yaitu Presiden Cup bulan Oktober tanggal 6 2019. Bye, I love you all. Muah, muah, muah.
Nomor sanga, nomor 12, nomor 13, nomor
Demikian perjalanan YouTuber low cost di lomba karapan sapi tingkat kawedanan Bangkalan yang terakhir. Jangan lupa seperti biasa like, share, dan subscribe-nya untuk YouTuber low cost supaya kami lebih berkreasi lagi, lebih semangat lagi untuk menjadi konten kreator di dunia pariwisata dan kebudayaan. Terima kasih sudah menonton channel kami. Thank you very much. Sampai jumpa di lomba karapan sapi Kabupaten Bangkalan tanggal 22 September 2019. Thank you. I love you all, my viewer, my subscriber hari ini dan yang akan datang. Boom!